the algorithm has completely changed, right? If I go on my Instagram, which is what I was showing you guys earlier today, I'll go on my profile real quick. I posted this yesterday, just nothing crazy, because I've been doing this test, by the way. Uh, I've been doing this test here, which is I've just been blasting content all day, every day. I don't really care if people see it or not. I don't care about views. But I've been just looking at this one thing, which is if I just post something, okay, how many of the people that follow me are going to see it? And how many new followers or non-followers are going to see it? As an example, if you see this piece of content, I posted it yesterday. It took me 1 minute and 30 seconds to record. It has 7,000 views, and 4,500 people saw it. 47% of them don't follow me. Okay. Just to put things into perspective, to get 1,000 impressions, let's see here. To get 1,000 people to see your piece of content, if you're advertising and spending money on ads, it's going to cost you, let's say, $100, $152, 133, so 93. So this piece of content here was essentially worth, essentially, let's say 7 times $100. So I got like $500 worth of impressions. Does that make sense? From just posting. Or we could go look at something like this here. This other piece of content, where I have 150,000 views, 100,000 people reached, and 85% of everyone who saw the piece of content doesn't follow me, all new followers. And I didn't spend a dime on ads. I didn't do a single thing about it. Or this other piece of content, 52,000 views, 85% of those that saw it don't follow me out of the 33,000 people that engaged with it. The algorithm has pivoted from having it be a follower-based machine to a merit-based system, which means you're judged based on the quality of your message, not how famous you are. That's lesson number one. Okay. You're not judged based on how famous you are. Nobody cares about how many leads you have. Nobody cares about how much money you're spending on ads. It's, can you find a piece of message? What's your message? Then give it to the algorithm, and it will decide if you either get pushed and get attention, eyeballs for free, or if you won't.